A little quick video today working on 2015. We're just in BMW 3 Series. We're just doing the wheel spacers for the rear. Those are the part numbers. This is a complete kit with the new bolts. So just give me a view of what it looks like. That's the gap. This is the best way I could show you. So we're just going to take these wheels off and just slap the new spacers on. They're about 15 millimeters. The spacers. So I'll put these on to see if it helps make up for this little gap to give it poke out a little bit. Best that I can show you is from right here, the body line. And this sticks out a little bit. So the wheel is off. So what you have to do is just basically clean the surface, make sure there's no rust or there's any dirt or debris that could get in with the spacer. And this case, this little cover for the axle seal, well, the axle bolt has to come off because it interferes with the hub assembly. So this section right here has to come off. It's like a little seal for the axle nut. This little lip will cause the spacer nut to go on all the way. So it has to be removed. So here's a look at the spacer. It will interfere with this section right here, so it actually won't slide on and pull the seat. So you have to take it off. Now you just basically clean everything up, put a little anti-seize on it, so this way it doesn't stick whenever you try to take it off. So what I do, I just normally put some on the inside of it, of the ring. Then you just line it up. So there you go, that's how it lines up. Like a dead blow hammer if you want. So everything's lined up, dead blow hammers in place, so everything is on flush, no gap, so this way when it tightens down evenly. Give it a new set of bolts. So this is what it looks like. Sticks out a little bit more. saying, that's just a before and after of the Pop was using this as a reference. These are the 12.5/13 millimeter spacers. It gives it a nice little poke. Not too crazy. I didn't get the 15 because people are saying the 15 will stick out way too much. So I think that's just fine. So thanks for watching. I'll be doing the front lip and the spoiler soon, so that will be in the next videos.